Just had my VVDI tool, Mini. So far so good. I ain't done much with it yet, just a bit of practice. Turn it on, thank God. So you can just put chips in there, obviously your keys in there. This will program universal keys, chips, super chips, and a lot of other functions. You want to download the app and get it. It's full of functions actually. Amazing bit of kit for less than £100. We've got some super chips as well, the XT27A, the 27B and the 57B. So there's the differences between them. 27A does a lot, 11, 12, 13. The PCF79, 35 to 39 and the 46. 46, 48, 4C, that's Volkswagen, Honda, Corolla, even does 8A, Toyota H and Hyundai 8H keys, AC and AE. The differences between the 27B, it improves on everything. So some of the people moaned about these to begin with, saying that they weren't holding or stable. So these are now, it does all this much better, improved transponders for all of them. It adds 49, 4A, MGB, which is Volkswagen. That's very useful. And optimised for the PCF7935. When it says optimised, it means a lot better. So on the 57B, really all it adds is ID 4A as well, ID 5C, the MQB for Volkswagen, the 48, and you can rewrite them and reuse them. I'm not sure if you can rewrite or reuse these. The only one I've seen it written on was this. I think you can with these up to a certain point. Once you program them to the car, you can't. But if you just generated them to the car, you can. If that makes sense. But anyway, that's my new pack. Some ID 48s as well. They came for free. You have to pay to clone them though. And then I've got all 3 of them chips. Truth be told, you probably only need the 57B, but I don't know which one's the most cost effective.